Now, one of the real strengths that Node.js has is in using the NPM. NPM is the Node Package Manager, so we can basically pull in code from everywhere. And so let's see how we can do that. Let's just create a project. And we'll initialize it with npm. So what do you say? Npm init. Okay, and basically it gives you several things that you have to give. What is the name of your package, where it's going to start, etc., etc. We're just going to say, okay, just start by default. Okay, and now let's add an npm package to say, for instance, we want to scrape a website. Right? Let's say we want to scrape a website and take its data and use it for our own website. Okay, so how do we do that? We could write the code ourselves, but that doesn't make sense. So what we should do is we go to npm, right, and we'll search for a package. Now there's a package called X-ray that basically does this for us, right? So let me show you. So it's got, here we go. So it's given us a nice bit of code here that we can use, right? So how do we use it? We install it and we use this code. So installing it is really simple, right? So you say npm install and it's the X-ray. Okay, that's how you install any package, right? And there are literally lakhs and lakhs of packages available, right? So now we'll create our file. We'll just paste what we just got from there. Okay, and let's see what he does. So he's if we see the index, he's created a file called results.json, right? But instead of that, let's print it out for us. All right, so let's not do this. Let's instead say then after that, as we saw what then does with the results. Let's print out the results. If there's an error, I'll forget the error. So we'll see what happens with the results. There we go. Right. So basically, it's gone to the web and got these results. From where has it got these results? From blog.ycombinator.com. So let's go and see that. Yep. So these things, right? And if we go here and see, online demo day, now hiring, interviews in Brazil, all that stuff has been done. See, not only has he done that, but he's gone all the way here, click this older post, and got us quite a few. 3 pages is what we have seen. It seems to have got us 3 pages, right? Excellent. So that's done. Now all we want to do is take this and display it ourselves, right, in our own website. So that should be simple enough. Now we could just print it out, but let's, instead of doing that, let's have a nice printable application, right? So one of the most commonly used one is a package called Pug. Pug allows us to have a nice template version, right? So instead of writing HTML, right, by hand, we just write a Pug file. So let's create a Pug file, right? And how do we create a Pug file? We'll take a look here. Okay, so we have to install Pug. Let's do that. Npm install Pug. Okay, then in the Pug file, we just give the details. So how does that work? First, let us put in HTML and say body, and we'll say each entry in the scraped data. Okay, let's say the first data is equal to scraped dot title, and then a paragraph of scraped dot link. Right, so that, let's see if this works. Now what we need to do is we need to put in the Pug code. So const Pug equal to require Pug. So let's say Pug require Pug, and we'll save the scrape data. Instead of printing it out, when we get the data, we'll say scraped to R. Okay, and now let's start an HTTP server. Okay, so HTTP dot create server request response is also a function, and in this function what we want to do is we want to respond with the pug data. So what we want to do is we want to respond. So it says compile the template and render a set of data. So we'll do that in one shot. It's not very efficient. We should probably do this actually, but we want to do it very quickly. So let's just do that. So we'll say response dot finish it off with pug dot render file index.pug and the data that we have, which is script. Okay, and we'll start by listening and 8080. So let's see what happens now. Go here. 8080, it didn't work. So it says property length of undefined. So we didn't get script. SCRAPD. So we need to send it as an object. Okay. So let's see now. Fetching it, I guess. No. Let's see, curl localhost. Sorry. Oh, it's empty. Why is it empty? What did we get in script? Let's go up and see. So we had title and link. So what's wrong with that? So entry dot title, entry dot link. We started, and this time there we go. See, so what has happened is we have taken the blog.y combinators data, scraped it, and re-put it in our own site. We've done this really quickly using npm, using code written by other people, and it's very easy to get code written by other people, right? So npm is a really exciting technology, and you should be using it wherever you can.